In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download the background music for your videos from YouTube very easily and which are copyright free. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to come google.com or youtube.com, whatever you want. Then if you are in google.com, just start typing studio.youtube.com, this thing, and search it. You'll find studio.youtube.com. We just need to access this website. I'm going to click here and YouTube studio website will be appeared here like that. Now what you need to do, we are planning to download the copyright free background music, right? So what you need to do, we just need to scroll this area. This area is scrollable. If we scroll at the bottom, you'll see audio library. We just need to click here and the audio library window will be appeared here. Here you will find different types of music are there, and most of them are free. Sometimes some of them may not be free or something like that, but if you move your cursor, you will see here license type. If you click here, it will show you the details. So here it mentioned you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. That means these audios are free. So from here you can choose any of this music and you can use it for your video background music. And you can also search from here. You can search, filter everything over there, and there are some cool sound effects are there. You can also use those things if you need. And if you like some of the sound, you can actually mark those. For example, let me go to the music, and suppose this music I liked it, or like this music I liked it, so I can click this thing start, and then if we click start, we'll see that music is there. That so next time we can easily use this music for our video. And to download this music, basically what you need to do, we just need to choose the music and then we can click this download button, and very shortly it will start downloading, and it will ask us where I want to download. I'm going to save it inside downloads folder, and then I'm going to click save button, and very shortly it will be saved. Now we can use this video like audio clip for our video project without any copyright issue. There is no issue, and that's it. In this way we can easily download the copyright free music from YouTube.